Today we'll be discussing about nested if functions in Excel. Okay, so someone requested to me to use how to use if functions, nested if functions in Excel. So I remembered um, last year I've made a monitoring for one of the stops in our code chain, and I just modified this one for privacy. Okay, so I've used this one. So we have this is a ordering system wherein we can put some, let's say this is PO worksheet 1, and then you will list all of here the different uh, items or SKUs. And then we have here the quantity, and then the kilos. What is the kilos per quantity, and here the total kilos. So let's assume that a truck has a maximum of, I mean, a container has a maximum of 12 tons 12 tons for it to be shipped. This is the minimum tons to ship efficiently. So in logistics, we have to ship minimum weight for it to be efficient, and to minimize the cost of shipping per kilos. Okay, so this is one of my a sample of my monitoring, and this is just the initial monitoring, and I wanted to show it to everyone how I've done my if how to do nested if functions on Microsoft Excel. Okay, so here we are required to have 12 tons for the shipment to be shipped. Okay, so for while we are computing, we need a indicator here. Our goal is to have an indicator here, at least an indicator here that, oh, the load is already more than 12 tons. You can order all of this now, and then we can have a full container in a storage, and then we'll have it shipped to other islands. Okay, into other storage areas. Okay, so this is a combination of different suppliers, and then we just had to cross-dock it in a single space, and this is the load for a single, let's say 40 footer container, uh, reefer container. Reefer, those are the gold which preserve the quality of the chicken, and then the different kind of fresh products. Okay, so now our goal is to have an indicator here that the the total kilos are already in 12 tons, and we need to, this is already a one container load. Okay, so all we have to do is, okay, so if okay, so that's a simple logical test. And then if you want to add something in here, if you wanted to add argument, you can just add like that, like this L25, that one equals. Okay, so if the value is true, Okay, so we'll now move here, that one. If the value is true, then you can say here uh, ready uh, ready for PO. So PO creation. And if the value is false, let's say check need more loads to utilize the shipment. Okay. Okay, so it says here need more loads to utilize the shipment. So maybe we just have to remove this argument here. Okay, ready for creation. And then okay, need more load to utilize the shipment. Okay, so there you just have to edit this one to make it more presentable. Bigger. Okay, so you can change the color. Okay, so I'm gonna do, and there's one like a red indicator. Okay, so that one. So this will be your indicator here. So for teaser, you need to let's say you need more loads. Okay, so for fish I will add 15,000. Okay, so it need more loads. Okay, so you need more. I need to add some loads. Okay, so 1,500 will make it 2,000. Okay, 11.78 still need some loads. Okay, we'll make it 3. Okay, ready for PO creation. Okay, so that's it. You can hide this one. Okay, for others not to see it. Right there. Ready for pre-creation. You can add here more than need more loads to utilize shipment. Okay, so that one you can add that one. Okay, so yeah, this is kind of monitoring that you want. You can also indicate here already in 12 tons. Okay, so don't be confused here. Okay, so this is the conversion rate of kilos and tons, and this is where we derive our answers here. We use that one. Okay, so we just have to hide that one. Okay, so that one is okay. So this will be your monitoring from now on. And then your staff will just enter the different items that he or she wanted to buy, and then an indicator will be seen here. Or if it's okay for PO creation, then he or she will now create a PO, and then copy this again, and then copy, move or copy to start all over again. This we need to clean this one here. there. Okay, so your staff will now enter a new data here. Okay, so this is your date, and then you just have to put some details here, any details. Okay, so that's all for now. And if you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.